in few days we are going to go into 2021. So people want to know, after so much of troubles and very difficult times we had, they all want to know how 2021 will be. So I'm doing a tarot session for each Rashis. Now let's take the Pisces sign or the Meena Rasi. So what I'm going to do in this tarot session, first I'll be taking 3 cards to tell you how your general year will be, or general prediction for year 2021. Then I'll be taking two cards for your work, money, as well as for your family life. So I'm going to take 3 cards. We'll see what card is there for you. The Emperor card, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Hermit card. Usually the Emperor and the Hermit comes, which means you may have to guide lot of people in 2021. Guiding is always easy for you. You will be guiding, but you have to take that guiding people very seriously. You will be helping others to settle. In turn, your life will get settled. People forget that when you have to settle, you have to help someone in the similar process. So when they settle, that punya will help you to make your life better. Now what you have to do? You have to do the ritual, because you have got the Emperor card, the major card of Wheel of Fortune, and the Hermit card. All are major cards, which means that ritual would be an integral part in 2021. It will be like you will be guiding, you will be telling them what to do. The Wheel of Fortune is your life will shift, and once again you will be guiding them. So you will be like a mini guru to many people, or a maxi guru, but you have to take your work very seriously. And in the center of first 4 months will be good. The center 4 months would be lot of traveling will be there, and lot of good things will happen. And now how will be your work? The work is 7 of Pentacles and the Fool card. Lot of changes in the work. In one way, stability will be there. At the same time, as you are finishing one work, a new work will come inside. You have to take it. That's how you will grow. They say in Tamil, Kadapare Mudingittu Sukka Sapano. That is, you take something which is beyond your capacity, chew little by little, and somehow you will be able to find the answer to whatever you have taken it up. That's how 2021 will be. Take up the challenge, jump into it. You can really swim and cross the shore. Now, how will be the finance? So, the 10 of Wands, 3 of Cups. For one, money, you will have multiple expenses coming. You would have planned, okay, let this money come, let me spend for this. No. For that, already someone else would have decided, okay, money will be coming for that person, let me spend for this. So the expenses will be huge, the money flow will be little bit less. So be very careful, don't get into investments, not a good time to invest. And also you will attract people who will come and ask you hand loans. Now that you have to be very very careful, you might lose lot of money in that. You can give it as a dana, not as asking money as hand loans. You may not be able to get it back. That's something many people have to be very careful, otherwise they'll be able to manage the finance in 2021. So how will the family life for Meena Rashi? So the King of Swords and the Hanged Man, what you think and what you talk will not be useful for clearing the family life. Or you just be a silent partner, or be silent and witness, others will know what to do it. You are going to get interfere in all the family members or all the people around you, their activities, their events or their decisions. You will get lot of bad name, and also it will all get complicated. In 2021 you will be a silent partner for many things that is happening around you. So for Meena Rashi, it will be year of guiding people. If you like my video, please share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.